Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my kitchen. I have a real treat, wonderful surprise for you. My parents haven't been feeling that great lately, but today they're feeling spectacular. You all remember my George Clooney lookalike papa, Francesco Romano. But say hi to my subscribers.
Hi, how are you? I'm coming to make the rabbit.
That's right, we're going to have rabbit stew today, and my father is known for his rabbit stew. It's a specialty, and he's going to share his recipe with you. And you all remember my beautiful mother, the most beautiful woman in the world, right, Mama?
Right.
Say hi to my subscribers. Say hi to my subscribers. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Let's get started.
Beautiful.
Rabbit stew, which will present itself as two courses, the sauce for the pappardelle and the rabbit. This is what we will be preparing today. And the cooks today will be my beautiful parents, my sweet papa, George Clooney lookalike, and the most beautiful woman in the world, my mama. But what are we going to start with? Half a cup of olive oil? Say.
Extra virgin oil.
Extra virgin olive oil. Okay, one chopped sweet onion.
One ring onions, white.
Okay. 3 stalks chopped. Cup of chopped carrots.
Carrot, that's it.
Okay. A good mix, Ma? You're gonna mix it good?
No,
You're gonna mix everything?
yeah.
Okay.
It gotta be at least a quarter now, 15 minutes. To make the onion.
cook everything?
To cook everything.
The vegetables?
Yeah, after put it
You're gonna put the
rubber.
garlic after?
Garlic, after put it the coniglio.
Lo coniglio, the
Yeah.
rabbit. Okay, Ma. 2 chopped garlic.
Okay, I'm gonna put in our 2 chopped
Garlic.
Pepper.
A teaspoon of black pepper. Okay.
Yeah, it's not for one of that.
And a teaspoon of kosher salt.
2.
2 teaspoons of kosher salt. Okay, say it, Pa.
2 spoons.
2 teaspoons.
Salt.
Di sale.
This salt.
Salt. Hot red pepper.
Yeah. And the conigli.
What's wrong? Cavenamaro?
No.
Vena picante?
Yeah.
It's okay, Cavena picante. Who likes it hot will have it hot. Who doesn't like it, they don't have to have any, right?
No, I wanted to have.
Of course you want to have.
Because no need too much.
No need too much. A quarter cup of chili pepper, no need too much.
No. This, now I put inside to there.
2 rabbits cut in pieces.
Yeah. I put inside to there now.
Right, and we're going to saute it with the sofrito in there.
Yeah, after you gotta put the tomatoes.
And we're going to put the tomatoes after. And my papa was very upset that our butcher kept the head of the rabbits, right? But he's not supposed to keep the head of the rabbits, right?
No.
Because the rabbit is the head is the best part, right?
Yeah, for me, yeah. For me, it's the best.
I'm going to have to talk to Mary and find out what happened to our heads of our rabbits. What are we going to do now, Pa?
Now I gotta make the rabbit, you gotta stay there, nice to fry. After I put a little bit of white wine, and then I put the tomatoes.
But for now, we're going to let it saute for
Yeah.
half an hour.
Yeah.
Both rabbits.
Yeah.
With no heads. Okay. The rabbit has been sauteing for half an hour. It's cooking beautifully. And now, Pa, it's time for...
1 cup of white wine. After white wine, stay a little bit. After put this sauce, it's okay.
So now it's time for the white
The
wine.
one.
Okay, Pa, go ahead.
Okay, look.
Io ho fatto pure male.
Okay.
Che fa con la cuccia? Avevamo sapere tutto di vero.
Sentava e pigliate tutto il vino.
You think Papa should put more white
Yeah.
wine? Okay, but put a little more white
No.
wine. Mama thinks so. She's also a master chef, right?
Yeah,
Is that better?
it's okay. It's nice. Now
It was incredible.
you can smell my kitchen. It's
can
good.
smell-
It's started. It's becoming beautiful. The rabbit.
Ah, se non
Se
avete
fa come no si sta bene. È già perfezionato questo.
It's okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
I don't know.
Fa come
Okay,
non andava là. No, it's ready to eat now.
Vamos a piglia con lo vero.
E si piglia, yeah.
Okay, so we're going to let it cook with the wine for 10 minutes and let the alcohol evaporate.
So this is operated now. We should take the wine inside the meat.
Okay, it's been 15 minutes. The alcohol from the wine has evaporated. Now we're going to
Okay.
add tomato paste. We're going to
Tomato paste.
eyeball it. Couple tablespoons, Bob?
Ma la menta tutta, mi pare.
No.
No, just a couple of tablespoons.
Ok.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Nice mix, nice mix.
Yeah.
And we're going to let it cook in the rabbit for 5-10 minutes.
You can put the salsa now.
We
too.
can put the salsa. Okay.
That's it.
Passata.
I put 4 cups of salsa di pomodoro fresco.
Ma c'è loro il succo te lo può aspettare.
Oh,
no?
yeah.
See, it's coming beautiful.
I'll get some water for it,
Yeah.
Bob. Don't want to waste any of that wonderful tomato, so we added
Right.
some purified water.
You wash this.
To wash that.
See everything. It's okay.
We're going to put it at a medium
Put a little
simmer
bit of water.
for
Put a
1
little bit of
hour.
water.
More water? Okay.
I put a little bit of water because you gotta burn the rabbit coming.
It has to simmer for at least an hour, so you're
Yeah.
putting a little bit of extra water.
Yeah.
Perfect. Now we're going to leave it at medium heat for 1 hour and just let it simmer beautifully. Right, Bob?
Yeah.
For 1 hour.
1 hour, maybe less. I don't know.
Okay, we'll
You
check
say
it.
you check.
We'll
See,
check
see,
it.
for the thing.
See, our rabbit stew has been simmering for an hour. It's absolutely wonderful.
But basis,
Okay, basil from my garden.
yeah. A little bit of salt.
A little bit of salt. Okay. I guess you can taste it and you can season it to your liking.
Okay.
A nice mix.
Yeah.
And we put the water on to boil for the pasta.
For the pasta. That's it.
Okay, Pa.
Now it's ready.
Yeah.
I gotta take, see, it's beautiful, coming beautiful.
Oh, it falls right off the bone.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna say it again. If you could only smell my kitchen, right, Pa?
Yeah, it's
Bella
a beautiful.
d'ora, eh?
Bella d'ora, yeah. Look, it's coming beautiful. Look. Okay.
Beautiful.
It's beautiful. Look.
And the sauce, I prepared some pappardelle, and now my sweet papa's putting the rabbit sauce
Sauce
in the
in the pot.
pappardelle. And if you haven't had rabbit sauce, you're really missing something. You must try this.
delicious.
It's delicious, eh, Pa?
Yeah. You gotta mix them up.
Yeah, we'll mix it up.
A little bit more. See? I think it's enough now.
You think that's enough?
Yeah. Okay, thank. So look, it's beautiful. Look.
Time to eat?
Yeah.
Let's eat. It's my absolute pleasure to bring my beautiful parents to you today to cook this wonderful meal. And it's Caterina from my home to yours. Don't forget to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipe. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
I wanted to have lots of guys.
I
Have
know.
the best
We're gonna eat right now.
rabbit, yum.
Right now, it's coming beautiful. Look.
The rabbit sauce with the pappardelle. How is it, Pa?
It's beautiful. I can't believe it. Nice.
Delicious.
Not.
Oh, smells so good. Ma com'è la
Lovely, very so tasty.
so
Good.
tasty.
So tasty.
Papa, you have to do this.
It's good.
Ma fa così, fa così. Enjoy. So we've had our pasta, which was delicious, and now we're going to have the rabbit.
I tried the rabbit. I like it. To try it. It's become beautiful.
I eat antipasta twice just because she is so nice, Angelina.
Beautiful. I'm good.
Falls off the bone.
Angelina,
Everything is
What?
which is
Delicious.
sad pizzeria.
Ama kumelo.
Yeah, very good.
Very, very good.
Soup and minestrone.
Good. Enjoy,
Just
Mama.
leave it alone, Angelina.
Thank you so much for joining us today, and it's Katerina from my home to yours.
Waitress at the pizzeria. Ti voglio bene. Angelina, I adore you. Ti voglio bene. Angelina, I live for you. And passione. You have set my heart on fire. But Angelina never listens to my song. I eat antipasta twice just because she is so nice, Angelina.